is The Rock. Okay? How many of you know an actor or wrestler named The Rock? Okay? Pretty familiar who I'm talking about? All right. It's me and The Rock. We're going to get into the ring. Who are you people going to put your money on?
The Rock.
You.
Thanks a lot. Okay. You guys are going to put your money on The Rock. Why? He's a big boy. He's a wrestler. I'm not. I'm an attorney. Okay? He's going to win. I'm going to bet on him. Okay? Right? Okay. When you get in the witness stand, you can sit there and answer the questions, or you can wrestle with The Rock. Okay? Because when you get on the witness stand, you just climbed in the ring with me. And I went to 4 years of college and 3 years of law school, and I've been doing this for a while. And I take continuing education courses on just how to jack with people like you. Okay? Okay? And how to control you, how to make you feel uncomfortable. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Now, if you want to think, oh, well, I'm smarter than he is, I'm better than he is, let's play. Okay? Because, I mean, I've had people get off the witness stand and say, man, I showed him. You have no idea what you just did. You went over and took your wife's cell phone and car keys and left. Yeah, but you can't prove it. Okay, you're right. Don't know how that's going to work out later, do you? Okay? But that's the thing. They don't know what they're saying. They think that they're getting over and being clever because they climbed in the ring. And once they climb in the ring, it's just pretzel time. You can just turn them up, sit them there, and make them say exactly what you want. And they don't realize it. Okay? The first thing to remember, this is not a conversation. The second thing, okay? The rules are against you, and don't wrestle with me. Okay? Because you're going to lose. You're in my territory. You're doing what I want to do. Okay? So when you're up there, you're basically going to find yourself in two types of situations. Okay? In hearings that don't matter and hearings that do matter. Okay? With the hearings that don't matter, they matter because that's your time to practice live. Okay? Because when it does matter, you may be at a final trial or you may be in front of a jury. Okay? And your credibility is then in question anytime you go onto the witness stand. Okay? And so, you need to make sure you understand what's in your reports. Know what is in your reports. You wrote them, you should remember. But it's been a while, and you're studying for a test, okay, that you're about to not like. If you've ever changed your position with things, make sure you can defend yourself, okay? And most importantly, that thing that I handed out to you is a list of your duties and your responsibilities, okay? It says in there that you need to look and you need to meet with people, okay? And it specifies who you're supposed to meet to or meet with. It also gives you certain duties and powers that you're allowed to look at medical records, okay? That you're able to access records. You better do that, okay? Because if you and I are not going to get along, that whole list is in the code book I have on my desk. It's on my iPad, okay? It's on the internet. I can bring it up and look at it on the phone. So I know it's there, and I'm going to question you about it, okay? You may not like my client because my client might be less than desirable, okay? But you still have to go through the steps so you can make the recommendations that you want to make. If you go through the steps, or if you don't go through the steps and you make a recommendation, what's your recommendation work? What's it worth? Is it going to work? Is it going to be what anybody listens to? Or did you just crumple up all of your work and throw it away because you skipped a step? And now you're up in front of everybody because I will look you in the eye and say, did you speak to the Father like the code told you to? No. And you made a recommendation, didn't you? And you didn't follow the law. And now you're asking the jury to follow the law when you didn't, aren't you? And you're making recommendations on incomplete information, aren't you? Who wants to answer those questions in court? Okay? But that's what I'm going to do too. Those are the questions you're going to be asked. Okay? And it's kind of tough. Okay? You've had surreal moments in your life where disasters have happened, things have gone on, you've witnessed things, you've been in a bad situation, and you just get a little bit dizzy and lightheaded, and you're just like, I can't believe any of this is happening. Okay? You have one of those surreal moments on the witness stand, and you're destroyed. Because I'm going to keep talking to you, and you're going to have that deer in the headlights look. And then I'm going to be asking you questions just like that, the seemingly just kind of flow, and you're going to be like, yeah, I'm horrible. I shouldn't be here. I messed this whole thing up. Thanks, jury. See what I mean? They're not trying to take care of my client. They never cared. They didn't try. And they're asking you to terminate her parental rights. When all these people that are supposed to be helping out the children didn't do that. Who's the jury going to side with? Don't know.